In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enhance gear here in the Forge. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, enhancing actually increases your gear's base stats and is required before adding runes. First things first, find any enhancer NPC on any major island. They usually spawn near the blacksmith and go ahead and interact with them. And you're going to have to gather essence and gold. Now, essence drops from mobs and you'll need different sizes depending on the upgrade. But talk to the NPC, open the upgrade menu, and of course, select your weapon or armor and press enhance. You essentially want to reach that item to enhancement level +3. That'll unlock a rune slot for enchantments like Lifesteal or Flame. Upgrading past +3 does have a chance to fail, which can lower the level or break the item, so I usually don't recommend it immediately. But essentially, go ahead and stop at +3 and make your way over to the rune maker now, and you can go ahead and apply runes with this guy now. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.